Everybody, I couldn't resist doing one more running on air video. It's so much fun to watch this thing work. I'll show the control with the, there it is in reverse. I set the air compressor on 60 pounds. I was letting it fill up, a few minutes ago. And then, of course, I oiled everything again one more time. Man, you can really hear that stack top. That is really cool. Chugga chugga sound. Anyway, so I made this little, show you there, see it's set on 50 or 60 pounds there. And I made this, I rigged up this control thing so I could control the amount of air that's actually getting out to the locomotive. Let me slow it down some even more. So that is cool. So I'm running in reverse now. I had a question about the oil check valves. This is the 1/8 inch pipe piece. This is the custom made piece. And inside there's a spring, a ball, and then the custom made upper part threads in. There's a ball seat and a hole, and then there's a fitting and a cone and fitting on the top part. So it was complicated to make this little thing, but fun. I like making brass stuff and fittings like that. So that was made according to the Allen prints. So there it is running in reverse. Looking good. Sounding good. Feeling good, Lewis. What's the name of that movie? There we go. Forward again. Cool stack talk. Cylinder covers. I'm glad I took the time to go ahead and make those now. I should have pointed out I do have the fancy brass covers that go on the front and back of the cylinders, but that and a lot of other detail stuff I figure I'll make once I get this thing running. I have so little time to work on it as is that I'd really like to get it running this year, and then maybe next winter I'll work on a lot of that detail stuff. There's the axle pump, the valves, everything's been oiled up and checked, so I'm trying to think of everything I can possibly do to it, or for it, before I put the boiler back in place. Thought of a couple little things. I'll probably take it down, put it back on its wheels tonight, take the spring blocks out of it, and then do a couple more touch-up things, and this weekend mount the boiler back in the chassis, seal it. Fred, Chuck, Pete, any of you guys that have seen this thing in person, if there's anything else you can think of for me to do before I start putting the boiler back in place and doing the piping, please let me know. Or anybody else who's built an Allen Mogul. So thanks for watching, and as always, I will keep y'all posted.